I was helping some clients shopping, and in an instant, we were looking at homes. They were pre-qualified.
Yep.
And then all of a sudden, all this the COVID-19 started happening, and these particular individuals, based off of credit score, based off of income, all of a sudden didn't qualify anymore. In a nutshell, I know it's probably very detailed depending on who you are. In a nutshell, can you give an example to the listeners who no longer, like, it's a no-brainer, unfortunately, you could have got a loan 3 weeks ago, but today, unfortunately, you cannot get a loan?
Yeah, that's great. So, obviously, buying a house is a lot of people's American dream. It's, apple pie, white picket fence, and being
baseball.
able to we don't even have any baseball right now,
That's right? Yeah.
No baseball. So, while you are thinking about, like, what's the American dream is owning a house. So, here's a good example. If you had credit challenges and had no money, you probably can't buy a house now. So here's the other side of that. Here's what's good examples. It's an amazing time for you to improve your credit and save some money. So what it's doing is it's helping realistically people. Now if you're like, well, I can't save money. Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Man, there are people all throughout the world that live here, that come here, or people that live here that are just impeccable savers. They just know how to freaking, it's not even a penny saved is a penny earned. It's like a penny saved and I need to save 10 more, right?
Yeah,
It is really disciplined. You're extremely disciplined with saving money. I'm disciplined, and it's a choice.
Yeah.
Like earlier this year, I've already modified, like, within a week, like, what I'm spending money on.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, that's a choice that we all can make, and there's things we're doing without, right?
Right.
So, really, it's good for you to save your money, grab a budget or a spending plan, and monitor with what you're doing. So if you're able to save money and do a spending plan, that's going to allow you to have a higher FICO score and then have money saved for a down payment. So it's going to get the people that were kind of like on the fence not to be able to qualify now.
Got it.